Okay guys, before the video starts, I lost some footage on my old phone because I dropped it in the hot tub and broke it. So the vlog might be a little more boring than expected, but hope you guys enjoy. First practice underway here. It is cold as balls. I'm Matt out here with the Tech 7's Bell Moto 10. Looks factory. It's cold, like look at my hand. It's so cold out here.
Turn around, see myself in the mirror, I guess I'm cool. And no sappy thoughts in my head, I'm feeling like I'm paid. Minds tight in the place, happy to see how far I've come to the same place. It began in my dreams, imagination, perfectly at peace. So I move along a bit higher. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away.
Around the outside.
Don't judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away.
Oh my God.
So whatever. I learned, I see the things I made, so I'm cool now. I can take care of my mama, my lonely Missouri, so sing along, no mama. You ain't gotta worry about no drama, no. I provide for friends and fans, it could be city grinding, man. Stay afloat, the kids know I never let a motherfucker break me down. Keep you fucked up, a nigga don't like those streets. Tell them it's up doing you tease. We don't care what people say. Dude, you can keep your clothes almost good. I ain't gotta wait for no one. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away. Cause they gon' judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away. Cause in the end they'll judge me anyway, so whatever.
Oh my God! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! He got nervous. Okay, I ride too, buddy. I ride too, buddy. Okay.
I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away. Cause they gon' judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a
There we go.
up a bit away. Cause in the end they'll judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away. Cause they gon' judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a bit away, up a bit away. Cause in the end they'll judge me anyway, so whatever.
Okay. I just absolutely broke my phone, so I'm recording on Jason's phone now. So yeah, here it is. Here's my phone. But yeah, we're speeding to T-Mobile because we got 39 minutes until they close, and I need a phone by tomorrow. Well, like it's not really work. What? It happened like a while ago. We're at T-Mobile. At Walmart now. We gotta get rice to put my phone in it.
Damn, bro, I had a cap on it.
I don't even know if the other videos on my phone are downloaded.
Bro, normally the food's over here though. It's a freaking
How do I flip this bad boy? Oh yeah, broken phone. Not my best moment. Yeah, parents are pissed, but it's good. Still getting the content. Most of the videos are on my camera, so it should be fine. But yeah, finally found the rice after searching the whole entire store. I don't need a lot, I just need a little. Yeah, literally. That'll work. That'll work. No, we might need a big bag.
Honestly,
my phone is like, my phone's in the car. No, my phone, like, look,
Dude, what?
Bro, my phone is bigger. No, look. My phone is bigger. My phone's bigger than your phone.
What about this one?
Wait, what happened on your COVID? Is that when you had surgery? Yeah,
That
this
one's
one.
weird,
This
yeah.
one.
This one's cheaper than that one, though. It's $2. Brown,
That's brown though. You gotta get one.
They're words. We're not taking that shit. $5? Just get this one. Does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Hey, take your ice.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Decided to flag today, because this is a pretty awesome spot. Let's go! Sitting in front of Michael right now. Let's see if he can hold on to it. Sure, this is like 450A, 450B, something like that. Last time around, Jorge got taken out by Bronson McClure, so we're gonna see if Jorge can fight back this time. Oh my gosh. See if Jorge can fight back, see what goes down, because this class, the top three battle the whole time. It's awesome to watch. Okay, Axel Hodges. Little back 25 class here. Austin just took first, so let's see if he can hold on to it. We got Elijah in second now. Rowan back in fifth. Come on, Rowan. Stroke class. Oh my God. Jacob got pushed off the track. Holy crap. Kian oh my gosh. Alright, now this is Kian's chance. Kian's chance to get him. Kian's on the 125 by the way. And he's shredding the ball off. Kian made the pass. Let's go. Okay, just got the surgery. Everything went well. It went like basically perfect. Um, the recovery probably isn't even gonna be like as bad as I thought. Like I know I'm still pretty numb right now, but I haven't really felt any pain, anything yet. Got the new phone. The only reason the quality looks bad is because the light, like it's really low. But so here's the brace. Got the ice water thing connected to it, like to put ice on it. It's pretty nice. Downloading the clips right now. Oh shoot. Of course, my new jersey just came in. The pants are in my room, but the jersey looks absolutely awesome. Jersey looks absolutely awesome too. But unfortunately, I don't have a lot of clips from the weekend. I had a lot on my phone too, which is like broken now, and the videos weren't able to upload to my Google account before I broke it. Hope you enjoyed it somewhat still. Should be back out at the races within the next few weeks just to watch flag and whatever. And yeah,